Welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. I'm Deanna. I am working on a project that I'm enjoying more than I've enjoyed anything in a really long time. Sweater weather. This is my witch. You can see her in her high heel boots walking along. It's a simple composition with the witch. She's got her broom. I've got part of it hooked. Doing the trees and sweaters, the tree trunks and striped sweaters like this one I just got. I haven't used this one yet, but it's this kind of thing that makes this great pattern here. I've just got all my sweater material out. In fact, I wasn't dressed appropriately, so I literally took one from the pile that I'm about to cut up just to shoot this video. But you know, I'm just getting my scissors, and I'm not doing anything with fancy cutters or anything like that. I've got colors that I like this nice butternut squash color. I'm just cutting stuff with scissors, and they're not all equal. And if they are too skinny and they disintegrate my hand while I'm hooking them, then I know to cut them bigger. There's no real science to it. You know, this is not like the rocket surgery that you might think it would be. Literally just cutting it with scissors, and I'm working in burlap here. This pattern is available at the Ribbon Candy Hooking store. I offer it in, I have that one backwards. I'm going to switch that around. In linen, it doesn't really matter, but to me it matters, if you see what I mean. It looks a bit smoother, you know, this way around. It is in the Ribbon Candy Hooking store on all of the other backings. I don't do it on burlap because I know a lot of people don't like working on burlap, and it is super scratchy. I'll probably keep this sweater on for a little while because it is super scratchy working on burlap. Not to mention, you know, the water issue with burlap. It gets really rotten quick. But I'm doing it on burlap because I'm putting it on the wall, so it doesn't really matter to me. And I'm just kind of fooling around, filling in areas as I go. As you can see, the background is it's this sweater here. And this is a strip of it that I had left over. I'm deciding how far I should go with it. Makes this nice pattern here. So I'm literally just cutting up some of my bright colors on my different sweaters. This one's going to be next. And deciding where to fill them in. But gosh, it's here's another pretty one. Pretty color for autumn, you know. Such a fun project. It's a great idea to just look at what sweaters are left in your closet, your drawer, what has holes, what doesn't fit, what you're just done with, and just cut them up with scissors and start hooking with them. It is so much fun, and it goes really, really fast, much faster than hooking with wool. And if you're wondering, do my sweaters have to be wool? They don't have to be wool. I have a lot of videos on this subject. I'm working with wool ones here for the most part. I think this is a blend, the Talbot's one. I wonder if the tag is still on there. Let's see if the tag is still on there. Got a couple of sleeves, and no, I cut the tag off. I'm guessing, oh, wait a minute. Oh, 70% lamb's wool, 20% nylon, 10% Angora. Right, so those are all natural fibers. So this is hooking really well too, and I've put this through the washing machine, hot wash, hot dry, and it didn't shrink too much, right? I keep an eye on stuff, you know, sometimes I wash stuff multiple times, but I tend to wash it first, just so I also want to make sure that there's no, you know, I get most of this at thrift stores. I want to be sure there's not a lot of food on there because then moths and bugs will want to come, you know. But some of the stuff I have, I got at Savers today like this. I might not even wash it. I might just, no, I think it's good. I might just hook with it. You do your own practice according to what you like to do. But when I find something and I like it, I just start cutting it up with the kitchen scissors and hooking with it. Lots of fun, right? This is a thrifty craft after all. I will see you next time at Ribbon Candy Hooking.